You've always been the kind of person who gave love with everything you had. You stayed when it was inconvenient, you forgave when you were hurting, and you expressed patience into people who didn't always deserve it. At times, you even felt like you were emptying yourself just so others could feel full. But here's the thing, the love you gave wasn't wasted, because in giving, you started to realize something important, that the way you treat others is also the way you deserve to be treated. The patience you've offered to people through their mistakes is the patience you owe yourself when you fall short. The kindness you freely give is the kindness you need when your own heart feels heavy. The loyalty you show is the loyalty you've been longing to show yourself. It took heartbreak, disappointment, and feeling unappreciated to finally see it. Love doesn't have to come back to you from others to be real. Sometimes it comes back through you. When you learn to reflect it inward, when you learn to give yourself the very thing you thought you had to beg for. The love you gave away is now your teacher. It shows you what you're capable of, what your heart has always been full of. And now you know. You don't have to wait for anyone to prove you're worthy of love. You are the proof. Loving others taught you how deep your soul can go. Loving yourself will teach you how high you can rise.